Interesting information about Sri Lanka. Colombo is the largest city in Sri Lanka. The total area of Sri Lanka is 25,132.2 square miles. The total population of Sri Lanka is 22 million. The currency is the Sri Lankan rupee. Sri Lanka has a history of 3,000 years. Sri Lanka was a British crown colony and gained independence from Britain in 1948. The national flag of Sri Lanka is one of the oldest flags in the world. In Sri Lanka, 70% Buddhist, 13% Hinduism, 10% Muslim, and 7% are Christians. Tea is Sri Lanka's largest export, which is 12% of its exports. It is the fourth largest exporter of tea in the world. Sri Lanka's national sport is volleyball, while the country's most popular sport is cricket. Sri Lanka is the most educated country in South Asia. The constitution of the country guarantees free education as a fundamental right. Sri Lanka is the first country in the world whose first prime minister was a woman. It is a major trading center important to both East Asians and Europeans. Sri Lanka is the largest exporter of cinnamon. Cinnamon is said to have originated in Sri Lanka in 2000 BC. Ceylon tea from Sri Lanka is famous worldwide and is considered to be the cleanest tea in the world. The elephant is the national symbol of Sri Lanka, and the country hosts an annual elephant competition. Sri Lanka is known for its spicy food, exotic fruits and sweetmeats. One of the main exports of Sri Lanka is precious stones. Adam's Peak is the most sacred mountain in the country. Every year, visitors from all over the world come to see this mountain, to stand in the famous footprints left there. Adam's Peak was also noted by Marco Polo during his travels in 1298 as a place of pilgrimage even then. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.